Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to a video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all so you can get the instant notification about our videos. So you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. So in this video, we're gonna see about the full guide on the Monad Testnet bot. So I already posted a Monad Towns link. So this is the Monad Town page that we have in our server. So it covers A to Z, everything that releases so far, from the contract deployment to your NED apps. So these links are the most collected links that are not yet on available on the most of the influencer Twitter sites. So I just documented as a full testnet process. If you do from the contract deployment to all the links, get through this, you will get around 300 to 500 transactions based upon your daily activity, and at least you will have around 200 contract interactions. So this is more than enough to do it weekly, so you can get around a good exposure on the testnet. So I also recently posted a tweet on Twitter to have at least 0.1 ETH on the mainnet, because in the previous faucet requirement they mentioned to have 0.01 ETH to get more faucet. I mean, if you don't have that much, you will only get 0.5 moon token. But if you have 0.01 Ether minute, you will get around 2 to 3 moon tokens. So right now, the Monad is actually overformed. That's true. But if you wanna be in a zone that you wanna outperform all the users, at least you need to have this much of token. This is not a criteria. I'm just sharing a thought. So it is good to have that at least on your main wallets that you're farming hard, right? So at least have around $30 of Ethereum. So if they put the criteria on, it will good for you to give you over an edge. So the Sibyl is basically for the L2s, that is like Arbitrum, Optimism, those kind of are called the L2. But the Monad is like Solana and Aptos, so it is an L1. So you don't need to have the Sibyl fear for these things. You just do what you do and make sure you have more contract interaction. That's the basic thing, and a daily streak that you can maintain. So that's more than enough to become one of the unique users in the on-chain. So and also follow me on Twitter. Mostly for in the week I only posted about Monad Testnet bot. So if you followed all these things, you will like have a same amount of transaction and contract interaction like me. So I have around 200 contract interactions so far. So I will update daily. See, I am updating frequently. Just follow me and turn your notification on my profile, so you will get an instant update. So let's go to from the A to Z bot. So I already posted the NFT deployment and contract deployment video. So if you not watched it yet, go watch it and deploy the token and NFT on the Monad Testnet. For now, for your reference, I'm going to deploy a Hello World contract, which is a simple contract on Monad Testnet. So first go to remix.ethereum.org. Make sure this is the website. I'll also give you on the guide link spot and also in the description. So just click here, create a new file, name it as Hello World.sol, and then so copy this code and paste it. Just close it, click compile, and then go to here. So this is a simple contract. There is no token or NFT deployment. This contract or the you will get on the Alto or any other site that requires the payment. So this thing. Just connect to your Rabi wallet. Alright, this is my Rabi wallet address. I have 14 Moon tokens. So just click deploy and make sure you are on the Monad Testnet. So I'm on the Monad Testnet. This is the thing. Paste it. So my contract has been deployed. So this is my contract hash and this is my contract address. So I just successfully deployed the contract. If you want, you can go and visit our Monad Explorer. So this is my another address. Let me just quickly copy my wallet address. Let me close this port. Let me replace it with my address. So as you can see, I just deployed a contract on 1 minute 29 seconds ago. If you click on the transaction hash, you will see the contract as an interaction. See, the contract has been created. This is my contract. Okay, now we successfully deployed a contract and also deploy the contract of token and NFT using the video I give on the I button, and then just go to this governance website, click it. So this is one of the biggest DeFi on the Monad also. It also having a testnet, so it has a good funding. So just farm it hard and you will get the XP points for the governance spot also, and you will also gain the Monad interactions. So let me quickly show how you can farm this thing. So click connect wallet. I'm using Rabi. Click connect. Just cancel it. So click redeem. This is my code. If you want, you can use it. So you can get around some boosting, I believe. You can also create your own code, just anything you want, and then click here. So sometimes it will get like this. Just refresh it, or after generating your code and reading the code, just click on faucet and click claim all. So it will take some time, and sometimes it will also show error. If it's showing error, just claim one by one. Just wait until all these things will like the images are loaded, and then you can use the claim all button. Okay, now all the images are loaded. I click the claim all. So just wait for some time. You'll get the transaction pop up. Just sign it. So we'll get all the funds at once. See, right now only one is pending. Okay, now I got all the faucet. Click on the notification symbol. These are the tasks you need to complete. Just go deposit, and then click here deposit. Use any amount you want. Click approve. So choose collateralized deposit option so you can complete 2 tasks at once. So I deposited and also as the collateralized asset. So I completed 3 missions. Let me quickly forward these things so you can just have a talk on whenever you want to. Sign it. So you successfully completed all the missions except 2, that is withdraw and repay. You need to wait for 20 minutes to withdraw. So I have the timer running. I still have 17 minutes. So let me quickly do next task. So for this part, these are the Monad faucets that I gave on the very first day. So you can use all these faucets and claim as much as token daily. For the OKX, it will provide around 0.5 Mon, and this Mozi it gives 0.1. But make sure you use the testnet.monad, that is the official power faucet. The next thing is these are the free NFT mints on the Monad testnet. Just I am gonna open one by one. I don't know if these things are still available or not. Let me quickly open it. If you following me from the very first day, you would have minted all these NFTs. Also post a lot of NFTs after that. Quickly, I just connected on all the sites. So this thing for the land NFT, the limit has been reached. It only have 300k. So if you followed me from the first, you would have minted it. I'm just going to skip this part. So for this site, just click on and open these links. You don't need to do anything. Just open it and then close those links. So it will automatically verified, and then you'll get the mint button here. Just make sure that you are on Monad for this website alone. So it will automatically change into Polygon. So just switch to Monad and then click mint NFT. So it'll have the pop-up, just sign it and then mint it. So I minted successfully. Let me close it, and then for this choke star edition, just mint it. So right now I'm roughly having around 15 contract interaction, include the curvebans and token deployment. So just minted it, and then same for the ME on Monad. Just make sure use this button and then switch to Monad Testnet. Or you can also change on your wallet. Just click this box and then click mint. And then I minted successfully. This Nezo port also same like the Morky port. So after getting the mint now, just click mint and you will have the NFT mint. So I successfully minted it. For the NFT port, it's over. And then just go to this website. This is a meme token creation website. It's going to create a meme token of your choice. So click connect. Choose your wallet. So before this thing, I have around only one contract interaction on my wallet because I kept this wallet for this video. So let me quickly, and also we'll check at the end like how many contract interaction we are having. Or okay, let me quickly show you how many contract interaction I'm having right now. I'm just going to copy it, go to layer up, So this is just a thing, you don't need to trust this thing and all. Just for the contract interaction I'm showing this. So click check Monad Testnet wallet and then enter your wallet address, check address. So this is the day 2 of my wallet. So I have around this not updated rate so far, like you can so this showing 14.52. Right now I'm having 13.72. So I take a guess, it is having a snapshot around 4 hours before. So I had only 4 contract interaction, 4 transaction count. Just remember it, we'll check at the end. So and then here click create coin. So give your coin name. I'm just using XOXO. I'm the ticker XOX. So just upload any image. So I just added the image. Let me quickly create the coin. So I just deployed the token. So this is my token, and as you can see, I just missed the terminal port. You can just deploy the token and then go to your terminal. So you'll have this your token deployment and contact address. Right now the website is experiencing some issues. So just do that, and then for the current spot, the time is finished. So let me quickly withdraw some. So I just completed all the tasks. So as you can see, I have 400 unclaimed bytes. Just close it, and you will have the all these things just as the tick mark. So that's all from the current spot. Next, go to Magma staking. So this is a liquid staking platform, just like the Eigenlayer, like something. Just stake some of your Moon token, so you can get the G Moon. So on the testnet, you don't need to stake all your tokens and wait for the interest rate and all. The testnet is all about the interaction. So let me quickly stake around 0.05 tokens. So just interact with the contract and increase your transaction counts and maintain a daily streak. So those are the things you need to figure it out. So let me quickly unstake 0.01 token. So just do it daily, it's a good thing, and it will also require a less amount of gas compared to any other platform. So I just completed this part, and then go to app.node.domains. So you gonna mint a domain on your desired name. So just connect to the website. Let me quickly go with consolers. So it's available, and then choose it as your primary name if you want it. Just click it, and then you can also mint as much as domains you want. So it also falls under the contract interaction. Let me quickly register another name also. So let me quickly search 1x0. So based upon your characters, I believe the moon amount also differs. So let me quickly mint this. So I just minted 2 domains. So if you refresh it, I set it this as the domain name, so it will refresh automatically. My primary name has been changed. We close it, and then there is the orbiter bridge, which is bridging between the EVM to Monad. That is your Ethereum Sepolia to your Monad. So this thing has been used as the to buy Monad tokens. So you can buy the Sepolia ETH on Testnet bridge, which is the layer 0 bridge. You can buy as much as Ethereum Sepolia, and then visit this Orbiter Finance. Just click EVM, and then if you don't see yeah, I see the Rabi here. Just click it, click connect. So I'm bridging 0.01 ETH to Monad Sepolia. Just click bridge and sign it. So after that, just click got it, close this port. This is a what is called this a whitelist or quest. So you can just complete by visiting this thing and connect your Discord and Twitter, and then you can claim the raffle pot. So that's the thing. That is not a on-chain interaction, just a whitelist. So after that, just visit Kinsu. So there is a liquid staking platform. Just click stake, and then stake any amount you want. I'm just going to stake 0.1. So you will receive S-Moon token for your Moon token. So I successfully staked it. Now I'm going to unstake it for 50% of my token. So I unstaked it successfully, and then I'm going to close this port. So this thing is this a voting platform for the all the AI agents. You just need to connect your wallet address, and then you will receive some amount of votes. Just use those votes to vote for any AI agent on the platform. So just quickly connect your wallet here. Click connect. So and then Just sign in. Alright then. So you have 20 votes. I'm just going to vote for this guy. Okay, submit it and then click vote for me and click sign it. So see, just use this thing. This also comes under the contract interaction. So I successfully voted her. I voted one vote. So you'll still have 19 votes. So you can use all these things for the voting purposes. So just do it. So you'll receive around 19 contract interaction transactions. So let me quickly close this. So there is also a token whitelist bot. You can also participate in that. And then so this is early access program on Monad. So just submit your wallet address, join in the early access program. So just open this link, click join early access, and then paste your wallet address, submit. So just wait, and then you will have this task to complete. Just click follow. So you will receive some points. So make sure you follow on your original account. I'm just doing it for the time purpose. So just earn this bunch of points. So that's all from this. And then the normal finance. So just go to the website and click connect. So let me quickly show what are all the toughest thing you can do. I'm just going to skip all the simplest DApps interaction from here on. So click get 1000 USDT. So make sure you know that every transaction that you're signing is valuable on the testnet. Let me short it something. So the order has been successed for the short port. So just keep trying. If you go to the carnival, you will have all these gameplays. Just you can choose any amount of token. Just type something and then use it. Click approve it. Just bet on your dice pot. So you just deposit it and then click play. So just a dice game. So whoever gain the more, they will win and receive some amount of token. So just play all the game. So I got around profit of 24 USDT. So that's the pot. I'm going to close this pot. This is the Zaros Finance. So this is the token deployment and NFT deployment. Just go and visit here and then you can deploy your own contract. Let me quickly also. So this is the email waitlist bot. You can use this. And then these are the main thing that you're going to do for daily. So these are the dexes like Uniswap on the Monad Testnet. So I just refreshed it. So I got connected to my account. So after that, just create a trading account and then mint. So just sign it. So I will receive the USDC amount and then deposit and click trading. So for the code part, I mentioned it here, I believe. After that, just deposit the desired amount you want. I'm going to deposit 10%, just 10,000 token. So sign it. So it is just like the normal finance. There is a perpetual DEX. So after successful deposit, you'll get like this, and then you'll have a pop-up to add the USDC token to your wallet. You can just ignore it, then close this transaction, then go to your account and then trade. I'm going to use 25% of the deposited fund, and I'm going to leverage around some X, that is 8.1. Use 25, then click place order, confirm it. So your order will be executed. So that finishes, and then we're going to use the dexes. Just go to Bebop. Let me quickly open all the links in my tab so it can easily load it. So I just opened all these links and connected my wallet. So there's the first exchange, that is the Bebop. Let me quickly wrap my moon into WMoon. So it also have some other tokens like the WE, the Bitcoin, and USDC that you can swap by yourself. Let me quickly do only one transactions. So and then it is the Izumi Finance. Make sure you are on the Monad Testnet. Then connect your wallet. Let me quickly do with 0.1 to USDT. Sometimes it will fetch, sometimes it don't. It's based upon the liquidity. So right now I have the liquidity. Just continue. We're also going to add liquidity on some exchanges because liquidity is important in terms of pooling on the testnet bot. So just click add liquidity, select to have the USDT. Then I'm going to pair it with the WMoon. Freestyle 0.2 is good for everything. So I'm going to max it, let it fix, click approve. So you can select any one token and then max it. It will automatically fetch the other token value. The pair liquidity is available. Okay, I upload both the tokens. So just wait for some time and then click create and then add. So I add a liquidity right now. So you can see these things are available on the other networks. So I can just close it. And then this spot is the Bean exchange. I'm going to swap WMON to the Bean token. Enable one. So just explore these things. And always make sure you are on the Monad Testnet. That's the important part. So if you are on any other network, your real funds will be lost. So before signing, always check here. That is Monad Testnet. So I swap the Bean token. I'm also going with the job. Swap it. You can also swap back all these tokens. So it's your wish. I'm just going with the contract interaction part. Let me quickly swap some Bean token 0.12 WMON. So I swap back the Zoe on the Bean token and go to liquidity. I'm just going to add for the WMON on the Bean token. I'm going with on Bean token, supply. So that's for the Bean exchange. Right now the Guru swap is going for maintenance. So it is just same like the Bean exchange. You can have a look on that. I'm just going to skip this thing. So the next thing is the biggest one, that is the Uniswap. So for Uniswap, if you don't have the Monad Testnet here, so just click on your address, click settings, and then here click enable. So sometimes it will be in the disable mode. Just click enable it, and then you can close. So that's it. So for swapping the Yaki token, first you need to swap Mon token into WMON. That you can do with the Bebop exchange, and then you can swap the WMON into Yaki. So I just swap the Yaki. Let me also swap the doc. So make sure it has images, or you can go with the contract that I provided in my link. So I just provided the link with the doc token. So I will swap the WMON to all the 3 tokens that are available on the Monad Testnet page. This is the LFJ. So this is another DEX platform on Monad. I'm going with 0.1. So if you see the price impact warnings, just you disable your safe mode. That is here. This is the safe mode. Just disable it and click swap anyway. So let me swap some MON into Salmonod. I'm going with 0.1, 0.05, and then click swap. Sign the transaction. So you can do the same for all the tokens available on all the exchanges. So I just did that. So let me quickly show you how it works. So I'm going to swap some MON into USDC 0.1. You can use the order book trade, or you can just use the swap UI to just use the. So it fetched, and then click confirm, submit swap. So we'll have a pop-up to accept. So sign it. So after your transaction, you will have the USDC here. So you can also pool the tokens like what we did on the Uniswap and Izumi. The next is the hash flow. Just click here and change it to Monad. So the network has been switched. And then you can choose between these tokens, going with the USDC. So like the same 0.1 token, trade it. Just trade and trade back. So nothing more than that. The hash flow part is completed, and then this is one of the biggest DEX platform on Monad, and also a Monad dedicated one. So just use it because they also have some programs going on, like you can earn some points like things. So I'm just going to swap back the 0.1 USDC to Monad. So make sure you have liquidity on all those things. Like if you don't have the desired amount of liquidity, or like you swap some tokens on different website, right? So just make sure you have the same thing right here, because on some other website it is $5 per Mon token, but in Ashflow it is a $1 per Mon token. So just make sure you have all those things decided here. So the next thing is I'm going to send some Mon token to my another wallet address, because I also need to complete the testnet task on the different wallet address also. So if you are sending funds to different wallet address, just use this website, that is the Crystal Exchange. So it is the best way to also avoid there is any Sybil too. So just click. So the DEX part has been finished. Let me quickly go with the DeFi part. So quickly open and connect all the website to the wallet address, and all the websites and connected to all the websites. So see what are we swapped in the previous dexes. Now we're going to use all those tokens to liquid stake it. Let me go with the doc. So wait until you. So I have this much of balance. Now I'm going to go with 0.2. Just max it. You will know your balance. Sometimes it won't show it. So just mint it. So if you have more balance, you will also receive the DEP token. You can also able to show it, right? But it is a small amount. So let me quickly do with choke. So I to have it Yaki. I think I have a lot of tokens in Yaki. Okay, I have 90 tokens. I'm going with 30. So see, you have the leverage token, you have the DEP token. Just mint it, and then after minting, you can also redeem it. So as always, testnet is exploring all the futures so that project can log out those things and they can rectify if there is any error. So I'm going with the 9 token because it has 14 and balance is 13. So I'm just going to with the ratio. I'm going to redeem it. So it will also autofill sometimes. So just redeem. So as far as now, I explored all the futures that are available on the Covenant Finance. All right. And then there's the one of the biggest DeFi on the Monad, because it also raised around I believe $5 million, and the backer is Pantera Capital. So it's been available on different testnet. So just make sure you interact and collect. It has something called ops. So collect as much of ops that you can collect. So it will also helpful for the multiply finance airdrop too. This website is explaining some issue, so I cannot perform the action. So you just need to mint some USDC and then stake it. So for every 100 USDC you stake, you will receive around 100 ops, I think. So if you go to the rewards panel, you have the stake 100 USDT for 10 ops. So same like that. So I have around 0.4. Now I'm going to deposit 0.05. So I just deposited this amount. Now I'm going to withdraw some of it, 0.001. Now I'm going to borrow some of it, 0.004. And then I'm going to repay some of it, like 0.002. Now I just used all these features. Yeah, I completed all of it. Now I'm also going to so I also used the adjustment feature. First I disabled it and then I enabled it. So last one of the DeFi is the Kinza Finance. So this is also a huge project. So we deposited some amount to Magma staking, right? So you would have received some GMO. So now I'm going to supply it. So see everything you did on the DEX that is helping us right now in the DeFi. So just make sure you explore everything. Okay, now I'm going to withdraw some of it. So see, I deposited some and I also withdraw some. Now I'm going to borrow some 0.003. So you can borrow the same asset or you can also borrow different asset. So let me quickly replay it. I'm going to supply the dog token. So also collateralize it. I'm going to collateralize it. So it will have the whole the Gmon token and the dog token borrow capacity. I'm going to enable as collateral. So enabled it. You can see your supply tokens, and then I'm going to borrow these 3 tokens. When you come to your dashboard, you will be able to see that I'm going to borrow WBTC to some extent. So make sure your health factor is greater than 1, so you don't have the liquidation risk. So I just borrowed it, and also I'm going to reprice some of the borrow. I'm going with 0.5. So this is the way of interaction. So I done everything, and then so the Duster app is same like you will also able to get faucet just by paying a game. So this is the code that you can also use on online payments when the Monad mainnet launches. So just get it, and there is a Telegram bot. So the crystal exchange that I mentioned in the DEX platform, right? They're the same thing. So make sure you join the web labs, because it is same like the docs token. You will get tokens of the mist based upon your Telegram age and the premium checkmarks and also some social tasks. So just try to complete it. When the Monad mainnet launches, they will also release the token. So this is the contract deployment I deployed on the Monad Testnet. So you can just mint to interact the contract interactions. Just make sure you mint any free NFT that are available on the Monad Testnet. So just connect it. We'll have your wallet limit of 5 NFT per account. I'm going to switch to Monad, and let me increase it to 5, then mint. See, I just minted it. So the next thing is the Talentum ID. Also made a tweet on it. So you can able to claim 0.3 moon tokens daily if you complete 10 tasks. And also I joined the same wallet on the yesterday. So it also have a good opportunity on the airdrop from the own project. So they will also release their own token. So it is just like the Quest platform that normally a Galaxy or the interacting. So it also helps you to form the monod in a way, because it also have the task board and all. So you can just go to the quest and quickly climb the streak. So if you go to quest and then go to quest here, you will see all the available quests that are on live. So just try to complete all the quests. So it will also guide you through the Monad testnet. You will also gain some on-chain interaction with that. So right now the website is damn slow. So just make sure you complete all the quests and then claim the credit points. That's it for now. So I'm updating everything on the Twitter and the towns monad. So just make sure you follow me on Twitter if you can't able to join the towns. So the Twitter is the only place I post frequently about the monad. So just turn on your notification, so whenever I post you will get instant notification, so you can do ASAP, because the NFT mints are time sensitive. It will be finished within 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes within 5 minutes also. So just make sure you follow me on Twitter and turn on your notification. So let me go to this. Let me check if the interactions are uploaded on the layer up. See, right now I'm at 3.85% and the transaction count are 82. The interacted contracts are 77. This is huge in terms of within a day. So make sure you do that, because within just I just did it randomly because I did not went through all the tokens that are available on the DEX platform. If I went through it, it will get around 150 contracts. So just do it and increase your contract count, and then also the transaction count, because with the 82 transaction I interacted with 77 contracts. That is the wonder of it. So make sure you use all these things, whatever I post on Twitter, and I document the stuffs on the monad. So just make sure you do it, because I think it is an L1, so you don't need to worry about the civil things. Just go and do your stuffs. If the project announce the criteria, we will see about it, because on every testnet and mainnet airdrops like ZK Sync, Arbitrum, and the stocknet, the contract interactions are very crucial in terms of the aspect they consider the rewards. So make sure you interact with all the contracts and maintain the active days. All the links to my channel in the YouTube description, so make sure you join it, and also try to include the links to the guide part also in the YouTube description. Just follow it. So that's enough for now. So join our Telegram channel, and then follow me on X, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, share it with your friends. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.